Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you in a super easy tutorial how to clean a PS5 Dualsense wireless controller. These will be easy instructions, so let's get right into the video. So your Dualsense controller can get quite dirty. It really depends on how dirty your hands and your fingers are, but at the back over here on these grippy portions of the handles, essentially it's a little bit textured. Not really over here, but over here it is textured. So that means that it's going to be a little bit easier for the dirt and grime to get on the controller. As you can see right here, I had a little bit of ink on my finger, and this controller was perfectly clean at the beginning, basically when I started making these videos with it, which was this morning. So I only did, I don't know, 7 or 8 videos already, and just through holding it with the ink on my hand, I've already marked it up a little bit, okay? So very, very simple, and I cleaned it prior to starting to make these videos. I got this controller a little bit ago. I used it for a while, and then I cleaned it prior to making the videos with it. So once again, you know, it can get quite dirty. It's really, really easy to clean though. That's a good thing about it. All that you need is a microfiber cloth or a microfiber towel of some sort and some water. And then there's a little bit something else you can add to it, which I'll tell you in a moment, if for more stubborn dirt, debris, grime, ink, whatever the case is, whatever stain is on there, okay? So essentially, you want to get a microfiber cloth or a microfiber towel, put a little bit of water on it, just a little bit. You just want it to be damp. Not soaking wet, not even wet, but just barely damp at all. And you want to just rub the microfiber towel or cloth on the areas of the controller. Now, you don't want any water to like seep into there or anything like that. You just want to rub on the areas, okay? That's the idea. So what I would do with this stain is I would try with just a touch of water on a microfiber cloth, and you don't even want the whole cloth to be wet, just a little area of it, enough to put your finger over that spot and just rub out the stain. Try that out. Do that on any areas of the controller, and if you just any areas of the controller that need it, that are dirty, and if you just put just a drop of water on that microfiber cloth, you should run no risk of any water going inside anywhere where it's not supposed to go. The second way, which is a little bit more intense, is to put just a drop of isopropyl alcohol on the microfiber cloth. Now you can add isopropyl alcohol to your already watered wet cloth, or you could just do it with a dry cloth and just add the isopropyl alcohol to a dry cloth, and that's going to be a little bit more intense. So for this ink stain, water might not remove it if I let it sit for a while, so I might have to use isopropyl alcohol, and the isopropyl alcohol will just take the stain right out. It is so effective at removing marker, ink, and just anything really, anything that would stain your controller. It is super effective. And isopropyl alcohol is a little bit safer for the electronics and stuff like that than just plain water, believe it or not. I know it's contrary to what you might think, but it is a little bit safer. So that's it. That is how to clean a PS5 Dualsense controller. Easy instructions. If you like, once again, very, very easy to do. Either just use just a drop of water on a microfiber cloth, or just a drop of isopropyl alcohol on a microfiber cloth, and just rub out the stained area, the dirty, grimy area, whatever the case is. Just get it clean. And that is essentially it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.